Element-wise test of numpy array is numeric. I have an array as following. I want to test if each element in the array can be converted into numerical value. That is, a function is_numeric x will return a true/false array as following. How to do this?
I find the following works well for my purpose. First, save the isNumeric function from this URL in a file called tis.h, then create a PEX file as follows. The above Python function runs quite fast. Compare with this _numeric_3 method in this URL. It is 5 times faster. There might still be some rooms to improve, I guess.
Depend on the size of our array and the type of the return values. These functions have different speed. If list is okay, uses _numeric_1. If you want a numpy array, and size of A is small, uses _numeric_2. Else, uses _numeric_3.
Trying to convert the whole array to float results in an error if one or more strings can't be converted. But to find which ones can be converted, and which can't, we probably have to apply a test to each element. That requires some sort of iteration, and some sort of test. Most of these answers have wrapped float in a try/except block. But look at how do I check if a string is a number, float, in Python? For alternatives. One answer found that the float wrap was fast for valid inputs, but a regex test was faster for invalid ones, this URL. I like list comprehension because it is common and clear, and preferred in Py3. For speed I have found that FumpyFunc has a modest advantage over other iterators, and handles multidimensional arrays. It requires a bit more boilerplate than vectorize, but is usually faster. But if the array or list is small, list comprehension is usually faster, avoiding numpy overhead. Equals 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 equals. Edited, np.char has a set of functions that apply string methods to the elements of an array. But the closest function is np.char.isNumeric, which just tests for numeric characters, not a full float conversion.
This also relies on the try-except method of getting the per element result, but using frometer pre-allocs the Boolean result array. gives